Now that we know the leopard who reached the Lasavsky district turned out to be Leo260M, I'm ready to show what happened earlier, about 6 hours before his appearance in the previously shown location. This male was recorded at another point in the same area. The distance between the two locations is about 5 kilometers in a straight line. No, there was no wind at the time, which is more typical of early morning hours. At this spot, the predator examined the area much more carefully and mocked it very thoroughly. He clearly liked this place. Next time, I'll show what happened at this location less than 3 hours later.